In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name in the email in Mailerlite using the drag and drop editor. Personalizing your emails with a subscriber's name is one of the simplest ways to make your messages feel more human and engaging. Instead of sending a generic "Hi there," you can greet each person by their first name automatically, without having to type anything manually. Mailerlite makes this very easy using something called variables, or personalization tags, inside your email content. To get started, make sure you already have your email open in the Mailerlite drag and drop editor. This can be a campaign, an automation email, or any other email type that uses the editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the text block where you want the subscriber's name to appear. This might be in your greeting at the top, inside a paragraph, or even in the subject style line inside the email. Click into that text block so that the editor is active and you can see the floating formatting toolbar. Now, find the exact spot in your sentence where you want the name to go. For example, if your sentence is "Hi, welcome to our newsletter," place your cursor right after "Hi" and before the comma. Double-click on that exact area in the text so Mailerlite knows this is the precise location you want to work with. Once you've done that, look at the floating toolbar that appears above or near your text. Alongside the usual options like bold, italics, and alignment, you'll see a special icon that looks like a variable, often shown as curly brackets with an X inside, something like XYZ. Click on this variable icon. This is where Mailerlite keeps all of the personalization options that can pull in data from your subscriber list. After clicking the icon, a drop-down menu will appear with different fields you can insert. From this list, choose Name or First Name, depending on how you store your subscriber information. The editor will automatically insert a placeholder into your text, which represents the subscriber's name. When the email is actually sent, each person will see their own name there. Before you finish, read your sentence out loud to make sure it sounds natural with a name in it. For example, "Hi, first name, thanks for joining us," will feel friendly and personal. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can continue editing the rest of your email as usual and then save or schedule your campaign.